Hey guys, how are you? I am Paridhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since you are here, you pretty much have an idea what this video will be about. We are all really sad about the Shein getting banned, and it is all banned in India and we cannot shop from Shein anymore. Which is why I am here with a list of Indian homegrown brands which are really affordable and they offer a versatile collection of fashion, clothing, footwear, home decor, stationery items, and everything that we used to shop from Shein. Also, it is a very right time to promote our Indian brands with the awareness of going vocal for local. So, this is the right time to do this, and also a very good opportunity for the local brands. So do not go anywhere since I'm going to discuss about each brand in detail. Do watch this video till the end and I'm sure you won't regret it. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the video. So the very first brand that I'm going to talk about is Street Style Store. This is one of the most affordable brands that I've come across in my experience in the category of footwear. You will find an exquisite collection of footwear on Street Style Store because right from heels, shoes, flats, sandals, everything that you want in your footwear collection, you can find it on Street Style Store. Also, if you're someone who really dreams of creating a huge footwear collection, this is the right website you can check out at a very affordable price. Also, they offer a really good deal of buying 3 pairs at rupees 9.99, I think, which is a really great deal, and it is quite cheap as compared to other sites. So I recommend that you can check this site out for your footwear. Also, in my experience, the quality is 80 to 90% good. I have few footwear from Street Style Store and I find it really comfortable. Also, I would like to point out that there is an issue in delivery because it takes a lot of time in getting delivered. But I think if you can plan your things out, you can definitely check this out as an option. The next one that I'm going to talk about is the Soul Store. It is also a homegrown brand and offers a great collection of t-shirts, accessories, stationeries like notebooks, pins, and everything that you want. I got to know about this site through a friend of mine, and when I looked at their site, I was like, wow, they have an amazing collection of the t-shirts and everything. And I checked their website and I got few products for myself. I remember I had purchased t-shirt dresses, and their t-shirt dresses are to die for because they are really cool and cute at the same time, and they really have vibrant colors which you cannot miss out. Also, it is a very good option for the guys as well because they have great collection for the guys also, right from polo t-shirts to normal t-shirts to joggers, boxers, everything. Also, for the people who are crazy about Marvel characters, you will find everything, all the character related t-shirts on this site. Also, they have a very good option, and I really loved their creativity, how funky their products are. They also have an option of shopping by theme in the category of music, stand-up comedian, Bollywood movies, TV series, and everything. So I think this is one of the best option you can go at an affordable price. Talking about the quality, I think the quality is really good, and the quality is really good. I have t-shirt dresses and they are really comfortable and wearable. You can definitely check this option. The next brand is called Eva Young. I have heard a lot of bloggers talking about this brand, so I went on their Instagram page to check out their collection. It is an Instagram brand, so you can go and check out their collection on Instagram. I absolutely fell in love with their collection because they have some really beautiful prints and really vibrant colors. I am in love with their cute crop tops. They are super cute, and their skirts are really pretty. Also, they have a great collection of quads that we used to get from Shein. So you can get similar prints and colors and designs that were on Shein. You can check out the similar collection on Eva Young. This is a great option if you are looking for an alternative for Shein. Also, I was really excited to order a few crop tops and two skirts from this brand, but currently my city is under lockdown, complete lockdown, so that is why I haven't placed any order yet. But you can definitely check this out for yourself, and if you want, you can place an order if your city is not under lockdown. Also, stay tuned because I'm gonna buy these products and I post a lot of stories on my Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me yet. You will find a lot of styling stories and pictures on the Instagram, so stay tuned. The next one is Madish brand. I got to know about this brand from Facebook. It was showing in my sponsored section ad, and I went on their website and I checked out their collection. I found it really beautiful. They have some really elegant designs in jeans. They specialize in making denims, and their denim heels is a must check out. So do not forget to check out their heels. Their jeans, if you are looking out for some really different and trendy jeans, you can definitely check out this site. I was really dicey about this brand, but when I read the reviews, it was really great. So the brand has a good image. You can definitely check this option out. The next one is brands under Myntra. I am really excited to talk about the brands under Myntra because Myntra is my favorite shopping site. I shop a lot from Myntra, and I'm gonna tell you few of my favorite brands that are under Myntra, because I've heard a lot of people talking about Myntra that they don't know how to shop from Myntra because they get confused. They have so many brands and collection that they are not able to figure it out. So I'm gonna tell you how to do it. The first brand that is my favorite is Dressberry. They have some really pretty collection of footwear and dresses and also top. I have a lot of top and dresses, also footwear from this brand, and they are really of good quality, I must say, and I bought them at a very reasonable price. So first thing is they have a really great collection. Second, the quality is amazing, so you can definitely check this out. They have great range. They have everything that you are looking for. So this is a very good option, an affordable option if you are shopping from Myntra. The next one is, I would say, Must & Harbor. They also have a great collection, diverse collection, I would say, right from bags and accessories to dresses, t-shirts, everything that you want, and their quality is again really good. They have some really chic styles. I really love their bags because of their pastel colors and design are really good and super affordable. It is a must thing. If you are getting products of really good quality at a super affordable price, then it is a definitely checkout option. So do not forget to check out this brand. Also, I'm gonna list all these brands in the description box so that you can check it out later on. The third brand is Roadster. It is a super affordable brand, I would say, and they have some really cool shirts, right from cropped shirts to checkered shirts to printed, and a lot of colors are there available on the Roadster brand. I always check out Roadster whenever I have to buy a shirt. I remember I have a shirt that is 2 years old and it is still in a very good condition to wear, so you can get an idea of the quality of the brand. It is really good at a given price. It is a must check brand on the Myntra app. The fourth one is the Harpa brand, and they have some really trendy tops at a really great price, so you can check them out because you will find a lot of different styles and the price is really cheap, so you won't regret it. The next one is Max Fashion. They have really good collection, but I have mixed reviews for this brand because their quality is what you can say is quite mixed. You can sometimes get really great products at a very good price, and the quality is also good, but sometimes that is not the thing. So you have to be very careful when you are shopping from Max Fashion. But to be honest, they are really giving you great designs, great styles, new really chic and what you call beautiful and pretty prints and colors are available on Max Fashion. So I would say it is not a bad choice given the price that you are paying for it. So I think it can be a good option. So you can have a look at this brand as well. The next one is one of my personal favorites. It's the lifestyle stores. We have often neglected these brands because of the other high-end brands in the market, but you should definitely go to the lifestyle stores site because they have really good collection of tops, I would say, and also footwear and bags because they have really good brands under the lifestyle stores. I absolutely love Ginger brand, which is a brand of lifestyle, and also Accord brand, which is also a brand of lifestyle only. Ginger has some really cute t-shirts and tops, and also I remember I have a hot pant which has a cute Mickey print on the hot pant, and it is super comfortable, I would say, and I got it on sale at a price of around $8.99. And so I would say that it is a really great option if you're looking for affordable products. Also, they have great range in your footwear category also. So this is also a must check out option. If you're looking for formal shirts, you can definitely go and check out Code brand under lifestyle store. So yeah, do not neglect this brand. The eighth brand that I want to tell you is about Lulu and Sky. I absolutely love this brand. It has some really great collection of skirts, accessories, beachwear. They have gorgeous beachwear. You have to check out their beachwear. Also, I would like to tell you that they have really stylish boots collection at a very cheap price that you will not find it anywhere else. So you can check out their boots for sure. Also, their other footwear like heels, sandals are also really different and unique from the rest of the brands. And yeah, their skirts are really pretty. Their tops, and they also have a section for quads, so you can go and check them out. So the next one is a brand called Cools, which we often neglect. I don't know why. They actually have really great collection of they have really great collection of clothes, of footwear and accessories because of their really different different prints and colors that they are offering at the price which is really affordable, I would say. But one thing I would like to tell you is that you need to be really choosy before making a purchase from Coops. If you can go and check out their reviews before buying and be a little choosy in terms of fabric and the quality, then it is a great option if you can do that, because the collection is absolutely nice. I really like it. It's just the quality that you need to be careful about. Also, on the part of delivery, they have some kind of issues with the delivery, because sometimes you can get products in a day or two, or sometimes you can get a product in a month also. So that is one thing that I wanted to tell you all. So yeah, the last one that I want to talk about is my favorite brand called Ajio. I don't know why we often forget about this brand, because why I love it because they offer such amazing products at a really great price. They have a lot of offers going on their website quite often, and you can go and check out, and you will not be disheartened by their products because of their quality and the price that you are paying for. The quality is really really high. They have amazing brands under Ajio, and the brands collection, I absolutely love their collection. Their ethnic wear is so pretty. I have recently purchased two products from the ethnic wear, and I'm gonna soon style it out. Also, recently I've got few more products like palazzo pants, few fitness clothing, and I found all the products of really great quality, I would say, and I purchased them at a really affordable price, say 700-800. Although the ethnic wear that I bought was around 1500 or 1800, but the price is not that high because the ethnic wear is really different and really pretty. So you won't regret if you're buying from Ajio because of their service. First of all, because of their service. Second, they are offering you a great collection, great variety. They also they are also offering home decoration items on their site. You can find everything, right from kitchen organizers to study table decorations to wall arts, to everything that you are looking out for your home decoration. You can check them out. I know we all used to shop a lot from Shein home decoration because their home decoration used to be really nice, really funky and creative. But Ajio also has a lot of option for you all, and the price again is really affordable. So please do not neglect this brand because you will find a lot of options here and you won't regret it. That's it for the video, guys. I really wanted to speak about these brands. Please share this video as much as you can with your friends, family and relatives. Tell them about these brands. Show these brands some support because we really need to give them support right now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me yet. See you again in the next video, and till then, stay tuned.